Good morning, grade threes. It's a wonderful Tuesday morning, the 21st of July 2020. I was busy taking register there. The people I saw, Ari, Avi, welcome. Chevelle, welcome. Yes, Chevelle, welcome. Hudi, welcome. Lutando, welcome. Musa, welcome. Ndemba, welcome. Osinash, welcome. Ose, and then Tuba, welcome. Ryan, we welcome you. Okay, so the others, well, they will join us and we welcome them in advance. Okay, so yesterday we didn't have an official homework, so let's start with today's lesson. I trust that you will enjoy it. So please, before, make sure that you've got an exercise book in front of you. We will be doing our sums together. It's also still a form of revision for us so that when time for assessment comes, we are all ready. So please have your classwork book in front of you, your stationery, your pen, your pencil. Remember, you're going to write your name, your surname, the grade, the day, whether it's a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, and you'll also write today's date. So let's start with the lesson. Here we go. Right. Okay, we are going to start with some number counting. I know you know them, but it's just a quick revision, okay? So I want us to count backwards in tens from 200 to 110. Shall we count together starting from 200? Ready? Go. 200, 190, 180, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110. Good. So now, please on your exercise book, write this Q1 here means it's question 1. So I want you to please write the first one there. The first one there says, order these numbers from biggest to smallest. So what you will do on your page, you will write Q1 and underline it, and then you will write 1, which is this one, 1. So the question says, order these numbers from biggest to smallest. So you look at these numbers and then you're going to order them according to the biggest to the smallest. So you'll just write the number that you think. Don't communicate it in the chat box, just write it in your exercise book. You write the first one, which is biggest, followed by the next one, followed by the next one, and the last one. And then we go to number 2. Number 2 says it's still the same thing. You are ordering these numbers from the biggest to the smallest. So please write it in your exercise book. I'm also writing with you. Okay, we go to the third one. You still order from the biggest to the smallest. There it is. Okay, then we come to the second part. The second part, number 4, says that arrange these numbers from smallest to biggest. So you come here and you check which is the smallest, and then you start with it. Go like that until you go to the biggest number. Okay, number 4. Okay. Oops. Lutando. Okay, we all right, I think. Okay, no, that's fine. I thought you said you were late, but at least I think you were there when I gave the instructions. Okay, let's continue. Number 4 and number 5, from the smallest to the highest. Okay, I see somebody's raising their hand. Wow. Shiva says he's done. Even quicker than me. Okay, I'm left with the last one. Let me quickly do the last one and then we will mark for ourselves. Okay. I'm also done. Okay, are we all done? Let's see. Okay, done. Ari's done. Ryan is also done. Okay, now let's go back and mark ourselves. If you've got a red pen, you can use your red pen or any other colored pen. You will tick for yourself. Okay, so let's see. I am going to... Okay, Matata, you were late. Okay, but it's fine. As soon as we are writing, you can... As we are giving our answers, you can continue writing, don't worry. Okay, so let's see. For the first one, let's see who can tell us. Can I see some hands there? Somebody wants to share with us? Okay, let's see who's raised. Tuba. Okay, Tuba, let's see. Okay.
Hi, ma'am.
Yes, can you tell us what is the answer for the first one?
Which one, ma'am?
You must arrange from the biggest to the smallest. So give us the answer.
Okay, 176.
Okay.
And then 123.
Okay.
And then 105.
Okay.
The last one, 103.
Good. Right. So grade threes, I hope you all got the answer. The rearranged is 176, 123, 105, and the last one is 103. So please put ticks for yourself there. Well done. So the next one, let's see who wants to tell us. I see Ndema. I see your hand, Ndema. You want to share with us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please tell us.
The answer is 187,
Okay.
155,
Okay.
133,
Okay.
And 101.
Good. Well done. That is correct, Ndemba. Thank you so much. Okay. So let's tick for ourselves there. 187, 155, 133, and 101. Thank you, Ndemba. Okay, let's see the next one. I see Avi says that she wants to, I'm not sure. Okay. Oh, here, let's hear Avi.
199,
Yes,
163,
yes,
145,
yes.
111.
Good, excellent. That's correct. Thank you very much. So please give yourself a ticks there. 199, 163, 144, and 111. Thank you very much. The next one. Yes, number 4. Let's see. I see Musa. Let's hear Musa. Okay, tell us, Musa.
113,
Yes,
133,
yes,
166,
yes.
100 and
The last one.
193.
Excellent. Thank you very much. So, tick for yourself there, everyone. 133, 133. Let me start over again. 113, 133, 166, and 193. Well done. Okay, let's see who's next. Blessing. Can you share with us, Blessing? Yes, please tell us your answer for number 5.
104,
Yes,
122,
yes,
144,
yes.
and 118.
188. Well done. Thank you so much. Thank you, Blessing. 104, 122, 144, and 188. Okay. So just tick for yourself there. Sorry about the feedback. Okay, let's do the last one. Number 6. Number 6. Who can do number 6 for us?
Me.
Who's me?
Musa.
Musa. Let's see you, Musa. Just a second for me. Okay, Musa, tell us.
52. Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Musa.
Please, can I do the last one?
Yes, it is the last one. You can do it, please.
153, 117, 175, and 100.
Okay, thank you very much, Musa. Just a minute. I just want to find out about this feedback. Just 1 minute for me. Okay. All right. Okay. The last one we said, it says arrange these numbers from smallest to biggest. So we look at our numbers there. So which is the smallest number there? I'm sure all of you can see it. You can type it for me. Okay, let's see. Can I see which is the smallest number? Yes, Ari, it is 100. So followed by what? It's 100 followed by, let's see the next number. 117, that's correct. Yes, Ndemba, Musa, Kabani. And then followed by what number? Yes, 153. Thank you, Blessing, for giving us all the answers right. So the first one is 100. Give yourself a tick there. The next one is 117. Give yourself a tick there. The next one is 153. Give yourself a tick there. And the last one is 175. Well done. Okay, let's see how much you got. If we count in fours, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. Sure, what a lot of marks. 24 marks for question 1. Well done, grade 1. Grade 3, sorry. Okay, now let's go to the next question quickly. Right, let's see here. They say, write the number symbols of the following number names. They have given us the number name there, 155. So still on your classwork book, write question 2 on your classwork book, and you write number 1. Number 1 is, what is the number symbol for this number name? 155. So write it using number symbols. Okay, I'm also writing it. I'm finished. I go to the second one. 200. They say write 200 using the number symbol. Today I'm reading them out for you, but tomorrow I am not. I want to see if you can read them by yourself and give the correct answer. So the third one is 137. So we write 137. The next one is 199. Okay, I write 199. And the next one is 101. 101. Okay. So I think just type for me there if you are done. Okay. And then you can type the numbers quickly for me. All right, Ndemba, I see 155, correct. 200, correct. 137, correct, good. 199, good. And 101, good. So you tick for yourself there. You got an extra 5 marks. Well done. Avi, I see you, Blessing. You are done, good. Let's go to the next question. Okay, the next question. Still on your book there, on your classwork book, write for yourself Q3, which is question number 3. I'm also doing it Q3, and then the first one there says, write any 5 numbers that are less than 169. So we are making use of this grid here, this number block from 101 up to 200. So you write any 5 numbers of your choice that are less than 169. These numbers do not necessarily have to follow each other. You just write any numbers between 101 and 169 there. 169. So write it on your class workbook, grade 3s. I'm also writing mine. I am done. Are you done? Good. I see Blessing is done. Oh, Blessing, remember, the numbers must be less than 169. You gave me 200, which is more than 169. You gave me 199, which is also more than 169. So just fix those two numbers for me there. Okay, we go to the second one. The second one, they say there, write any 5 numbers that are more than 189. So you're going to look at any numbers from 189 and up to 200. Only 5 numbers. 5 numbers of your choice. Remember, that's correct. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, Ndemba. All right, Blessing, I hear you. Okay, so let's do this one now, where we get 5 numbers which are more than 189. I'm also writing. Five numbers. Okay, I am done. Okay, Osinach, I see you're done. Good, Avi, that's correct. Now let's go to number 3. Let's see what they say there. Number 3, they say, order the numbers in one above from smallest to biggest. Remember, you've got your own numbers. So you're going to take your own numbers that you did here at number 1, and then you're going to order them from smallest to biggest. Okay. So you look at your own from smallest to biggest. Okay, I am done. Blessing. Oh, okay. All right. And check your other number there. Blessing. Number 2, they said write any 5 numbers that are more than 189. Okay. Remember, we are guided. That is why we've got this number block here. We are guided by this number block. We must only include the numbers which are here. So I know, Blessing, 220 is more than 189, but because our numbers only go up to 200, we cannot take 220. even 242. It is correct, it's more than 189, but we are controlled by this number block which goes up to 200. So you do the second one. Do number 4, where you are ordering the numbers into above from biggest to smallest. Thank you, Blessing. Okay. All right, Osinach, you say you are done. Just type it for me, Osinach, you're number 4. Okay, to see that we are together. Okay, number 4 says that you're going to order the numbers into those that you got in number 2. You're going to start with the biggest to the smallest. Thank you, Lutando. Hey, I'm slow. Let me quickly do it. Right. That's my second one. That's my third one. That's my fourth one. Okay, I am done. So I think, right, good Chevelle, good Avi. Right, okay, let's look at the next one. Okay, the next one here says, we've got the letters of the alphabet, A up to Z, A up to Z. We've got ordinal numbers and we've got numeric symbols. How many letters of the alphabet do we have? Does anyone know how many letters of the alphabet we have? You can type it for me. How many letters of the alphabet? And this is our question 4. It's our Q4. Okay, Ari, 26. Let's quickly confirm. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Anyone who can count in nines, in multiples of nines? Anyone who can count in multiples of nines? Oh, Blessing. Okay, I see. All right, not you, Chevelle, not you, Pelisiwe. Okay, let's try the multiples of 3. 1, 2, 3. Shall we try 3? Anyone who Osinat says? Okay, Lutando. Okay, let's try 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 25, 26. Yes, right. Somebody told me that there were 26. Let's see who it is. It was Avi, it was Ndemba. Yes, we've got 26 letters of the alphabet. Okay, now let's see what are we going to do with these letters of the alphabet. All right. The question here, it says, answer the following questions referring to the letters of the alphabet above. Okay, we've done an example for you there. Okay, so there they said letters A up to I. So there are the letters A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Letters A up to I. How many are they? We said they are 9. Ne? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so when we use the ordinal numbers, we say it is from the first. A is the first, and then I is the 9th. So that is how we write it in ordinals, first to 9th. And then in terms of numeric symbols, the ordinals in terms of numeric symbols is the first and the 9th. So my computer misbehaved there. Hey, the TH there, the th must go up like the ST there. It must go up. That's how we write it. Okay. So now what you're going to do is that you're going to do, we've done 1 for you. So we go to number 2. So for number 2, you say, you look at J up to R. There is our J and there is our R. So you're going to count, you're going to count from which number is it? We ended up there with 9. So then it means J it's number 10. So it's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it means, let's start with the easy one. So we started there by 10. So it means that it is the 10th. It's 10. And then 10 up to what? We said it's 10 up to what? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it's 10th up to 18th. Okay. That's how we're going to write it. Anybody who can write 10th up to 18th using the numeric symbols? Let's see it there. 10th to 18th. Anyone who can type it for me? 10th using numeric symbols. 10th to 18th. Okay, I don't know if you can see. That's correct, Chevelle. You have done it with the ordinals. Wow, you are amazing. Ndemba. Wow, that's great. So that's how you're going to write 10th to 18th there. And then you're also going to write it in words, ordinals. You're going to write 10th to 18th. 18th. So there, Chevelle, the last, it must end with TH, 18th. That TH must be there. Good. Blessing. Right, well done. That's how you learn, don't worry. Typing errors happen, okay? But as long as you can pick it up and you're not afraid that, oh, there was an oops there, you will learn, okay? But don't hide if you do not understand. It's going to be difficult for you to learn. Okay, now let's go now for the last one. S up to Z. S up to Z. Let's count. We ended up with 18th. Then it's 19th, 20th, 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th. So the last one there, S, we start from 19th to 26th. Don't forget the TH there, 26th, okay? It is the good 19th. It must be 19th to 26th. Okay, there it is. Good, Ari. I see Musa. Okay. So, although when we type now in the chat box, it doesn't put it up. It doesn't pull the ST and the TH up. But when we write it, please do not forget. I've also typed it up, but it doesn't go up like it should. It's done an oopsie there, like the TH, which must go up. So when you write it, please remember that it must also go up, okay? It must not be on the same level as the number. Right, that's great. Sure, our time is fast running out. Let us see what we have. And then we do have some homework that you can snap it quickly. Okay, so there is our homework. Please take a snapshot of it. It says draw a 300 to 400 number line counting in tens from 300. The 300 number line counting in tens from 300. The second one, write down any 5 numbers between 375 and 400. Write any 5 numbers between 375 and 400. Okay. The third one, order the numbers from smallest to biggest. And then arrange the numbers from biggest to smallest. We will also put this homework on YouTube. And then also, if you want me to send you an email of this, you can do that. You can take a snapshot, or you can request an email that I sent you the homework, or you can check on the folder for homework. So that is the last part, grade 3s. So what we do, I'll quickly do the example with you, and then, so it's 444. You add 10, it gives you 454. And they say subtract 10. You subtract 10 from the original number that we had there. 444 minus 10, it's 434. And then they say add 100. You add 100 to the original number that we got, 444. It becomes 544. And then we subtract 100 from the original number, which was 444, you get 344. So grade 3s, I must not delay you for your next class, for those that have the next class. So please just take my email address, take a snapshot, and then take my email address. I will send it through to you, or alternatively, you will get it on the YouTube. There's my email address there. Okay, tebohostole0109@gmail.com. Take a snapshot of it. And then, or you can request, I will send you an email, or you can go to YouTube. Okay. That's all for today, grade 3s. I will see you then tomorrow. It was wonderful being with you. Remember, please send through an email for any questions that you have. Okay. All right, and that will be all for today. Tuba. Okay, just request the email, and then I will send it through to you. Thank you very much. Have a lovely afternoon. Bye.